Welcome back to our channel. The 2025 Lincoln 6x6 Camper Motorhome redefines luxury and adventure, merging opulence with rugged capability. Built on a robust 6x6 platform, this motorhome is designed for those who seek the thrill of off-road exploration without compromising on comfort. At the heart of this beast lies a powerful engine, delivering ample horsepower and torque to navigate challenging terrains effortlessly. The six-wheel drive system ensures enhanced traction and stability, making it suitable for diverse landscapes, from sandy deserts to rocky mountains. Its advanced suspension system absorbs shocks, providing a smooth ride even on the roughest paths. The exterior boasts a sleek, aerodynamic design, complemented by high-quality finishes and LED lighting that not only enhances visibility but also adds a touch of elegance. Integrated solar panels on the roof harness renewable energy, ensuring sustainability during extended off-grid adventures. Multiple storage compartments are strategically placed, offering ample space for gear and essentials. Interior design. Step inside, and you're greeted by a meticulously crafted interior that rivals luxury apartments. The spacious living area features premium leather seating, a state-of-the-art entertainment system, and ambient lighting that sets the perfect mood. The kitchen is equipped with modern appliances, including a convection oven, induction cooktop, and a full-sized refrigerator, allowing for gourmet cooking on the go. Bedroom area. The bedroom offers a king-sized bed with memory foam mattress, ensuring restful sleep after a day of exploration. Adjacent to it is a luxurious bathroom, complete with a rainfall shower, porcelain toilet, and high-end fixtures. Smart climate control systems maintain optimal temperature, adapting to external conditions seamlessly. Technology is at the forefront of the 2025 Lincoln 6x6 Camper Motorhome. An integrated smart system allows for voice-controlled operations, from lighting and temperature to entertainment and security. High-speed satellite internet ensures connectivity, enabling remote work or streaming favorite shows even in the most secluded locations. Safety hasn't been overlooked. Advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and 360-degree cameras, provide peace of mind during travels. The robust chassis and reinforced body structure offer enhanced protection, making it one of the safest motorhomes in its class. In terms of sustainability, the motorhome features a comprehensive water filtration system, reducing reliance on bottled water. Its waste management system is eco-friendly, ensuring minimal environmental impact. The use of sustainable materials in its construction further underscores Lincoln's commitment to environmental responsibility. The 2025 Lincoln 6x6 Camper Motorhome is more than just a vehicle, it's a statement of luxury, innovation, and adventure. Whether you're traversing remote landscapes or parked at a scenic spot, it offers an unparalleled experience, blending the comforts of home with the thrill of the open road. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.